Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through a new-ish release, and this happens to be a requested deck I saw in the community post. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Tarot of Mystical Moments, and this is by Catrin Welz-Stein. Hopefully I am pronouncing the author correctly. So this is fairly new, like I mentioned. This is by US Game Systems, and I'm not quite sure how much it retails for, but I will let you know where you can purchase it down in the description box below. I am not affiliated, I am not sponsored by this. I just want you guys to find it quickly if you want to buy it. All right, let's take a look at the back here. It says Tarot of Mystical Moments. Popular inspirational artist Catrin Welz-Stein has created a magical tarot deck in her signature collage style with lush images drawn from her intuition and imagination. This uniquely 83 card deck with a distinctly feminine point of view includes 5 bonus cards, extra female versions of the 4 Kings and the Emperor. Ooh, interesting. Readers can customize the deck by choosing which cards to include in their readings. Tarot of Mystical Moments features gilded-edged cards and 96-page guidebook with upright and reversed meanings. First of all, let me just state real fast. This is succinct and it tells me exactly what I'm getting into, and I love it. It's not just a quick little blurb or an overly drawn out description of what the deck is. I know going into it now what to expect, essentially. So that's fantastic. So kudos. All right. So it is a nice little foiled edged box here, and quick note, I did already open her up to get rid of the plastic wrap, so nobody wants to see me struggle with that. So just so you are aware. All right, here is the guidebook. So let's take a look at this first. Oh, I like the size print. Okay, so she started this project in 2016. Wow, okay. Very cool. So she definitely used the Rider-Waite Smith deck. All right, descriptions of both versions are given in the booklet. Okay. Oh, and then it just goes straight into the meanings. Let me just check and see real fast if there are any. Oh, there are. Perfect. Spreads. So it does give you the different version of the female kings, the information about that. And then we have reading with the tarot. We have one spread. Oh, just one spread. Okay. All right. You know what? Not mad at it. It is a nice little booklet. Short and sweet. And then we have the little informational card. We'll put that over there. All right. Look at those edges. Foil. All right, and that's the back. Ooh, it kind of reminds me of a beehive right there in the middle. That's pretty. It's very delicate, but yet structural. I like that. Okay, so cards are nice and it's a decent size. They're glossy and no borders. Look at that. All right, so let me try to see if I can get it to where there's little to no glare. That's really neat. Okay, I'm very intrigued. The color is beautiful. Very interesting. This is gorgeous. I am absolutely all about this right now. I love the branch stash. Oh my goodness. That's fantastic. Okay, so I can tell you already in this deck, you are going to be drawn to so many different things when you're, every time you go back to use this deck. There's going to be little imagery that you pick up, and I love that about these types of decks because I feel like that makes it even more versatile. So there's the other Emperor. That's so cool. This reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, especially with the book. What a neat deck. Oh, wow. Interesting. The use of a snail. So neat. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I'm going to continually try to adjust because apparently the light just won't stop. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. It's a very like, the energy I'm getting off of the imagery is very much gentle yet stern. If that, like, that sounds like a contradiction, but like, oh gosh, maybe matter of fact is what I'm trying to think of. Like, they will tell you with good intentions exactly what you want to know, but they're going to tell you with a little bit of rigidity. I don't know. Maybe I can't word it correctly, but hopefully you understand what I'm meaning. But I do see where the Divine Feminine is coming in with this deck, and it's fantastically gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love with this. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. Okay, those of you who know that I am a Haunted Mansion fan, this is giving me all of that right now. This is giving me a Paracel, tightrope walk Paracel girl, for sure. And I'm blanking on her specific name right now. So growing up, I was like, 3 or 4, very, very young. I was a huge Alice in Wonderland and Little Mermaid, still am fan. And so this is giving me all of the Alice in Wonderland vibes. And I love it. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. I am so excited about this. All right, now we are in the minor. Oh, I'm so excited to see the rest. Wow. I mean, this is like so dreamy. You definitely step into another world with this. I love that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Fantastic. I really like the I can speak, I swear. The symbologry, the symbolicness of her shirt right here for this particular card. That is amazing. Wow. Okay. Oh. Oh, cute. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, see, you can just find so many different little pictures within the picture. I love it. Stunning. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, I keep getting Alice in Wonderland vibes too. I love it. All right, Ace of Cups. That is so cool. Oh. And quick note, we've gotten probably halfway or a little bit more halfway through the deck, and none of the cards have been sticking together. So that's fantastic. I am impressed. I am thoroughly impressed. Now, this deck will probably not be everyone's cup of tea. However, for those that do find that they can relate to this deck or vibe with it, oh my gosh, what a beautiful deck. There isn't a ton of diversity so far. However, I've seen some. Oh, I love this. Oh. So I think for me, that's my only negative point. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love that she's playing a heart. A heart. Oh. It's beautiful. Okay. Gorgeous. I'm just in disbelief at how much I really love this deck. It might be a little bit harder for beginners just because that you have the added female queens or the female kings, that sort of a thing in this deck. And then the imagery, some of it can be a little bit off of the traditional tarot with the Rider-Waite-Smith, but we'll see how it reads in the guidebook. I'm pretty sure you'll be all right with, if this is your first deck or you're still learning, I'm sure it'll be a fine deck to use. This is reminding me too of the Good Tarot by Colette Baron Reid. The imagery and the way that it feels very gentle yet, you know, tells you like it is. How fun. All right. Oh, I love this deck. It's just so ethereal, dreamy, and imaginative. I love it. Ugh. Oh, I love. Beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop gushing. But I'm just finding all of these little intuitive hits just flipping through the cards, and I love that. I'm curious to know, those that already own this, what you think about this deck. If this is something that you use often, or if you vibe with it, because this is something that I didn't think I was going to, you know, initially when I saw it, I was like, okay, I'll put it on the list, but it wasn't, you know, something that I was like, oh, I'm going to vibe with that really quick. So this is really cool. Stunning. Oh. Right on. Okay. All right, let's shuffle these up. Ooh, okay. Them being a little bit on the, I mean, they're a little thicker because of the gloss coating, I think, the structural about it, if that makes any sense at all. I was thinking they were going to be a little bit more stubborn to be flexible. But no, they work really well. And just as a reminder, most, I'm just going to say most of the cards that I use on the regular that have a foil or a gilding on the edges here, they do scuff and scrape and chip and scratch. So just be prepared for that to happen, because with normal use, it will happen. And we will read that one. You know, I shuffle chaotically, so of course mine are going to get dented up. But to me, it just adds character. It doesn't bother me at all. It's when I bend one in half because of an accident that I'm upset. All right, I think we get the point. It shuffles really nice. It feels really good in the hand too. Okay, so we are going to take a look at Eight of Wands. That is so pretty. All right. Eight of Wands. After the struggle, the way forward is now clear. The woman feels change in the air and knows it's time to act. Rising up into a bright blue sky, the woman's 8 vibrant umbrellas work as one to propel her into high gear. Little birds accompany her. Her hair and her skirt billow in the wind. Everything is in flow and moving along as it should be. So the upright meaning, change in the air, ready for action, in the flow, momentum. Reversed meaning, obstructions, overthinking things before taking action. All right. So yes, for a beginner, I think that the guidebook is definitely something to help you along with that. I love that it explains what's going on in the picture. I love that it gives you quick little meanings. So yes, if you're a beginner, I think this should be okay. Whatever level you're on with the reading, I think it should be just fine if you vibe with it. I am literally in shock with how much I enjoyed this deck. I did not think that it was going to be so beautiful. So yeah, let me know what you think about this deck. If you own it already, is it on your wish list? Are you just not excited about it at all? I know I gushed a lot about it, but I'm excited to start working with it because it's just gorgeous. It's beautiful. So again, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And I hope you all are staying safe, happy, and healthy. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.